Lightweight transport wheelchairs are a critical mobility solution for users who need assistance with portability without sacrificing safety or basic ergonomic support. They're commonly used for travel, daily outings, clinic visits, and short-term rehabilitation scenarios where full-size wheelchairs would be cumbersome. In this review, list number 1. Drive Medical Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair. The Drive Medical Blue Streak is a compact 41-pound transport wheelchair featuring an 18-inch seat, swing-away footrests, and flip-back desk arms. It folds to a narrow 12.5-inch width, aiding trunk storage and car transport. The steel frame, paired with durable tires and push-to-lock brakes, emphasizes safety and stability for daily use. The chair's dimensions, 42-inch long by 24 inches wide by 36 inches high when open, and 300-pound weight capacity position it as a solid mid-range option for adults and seniors who prioritize a traditional design with easy maintenance. In use, the Blue Streak delivers predictable handling with a single axle design that improves straight-line tracking and reduces flutter on smooth surfaces. The flip-back arms provide convenient transfers to and from desks or tables, while the swing-away footrests simplify entry and exit. However, some users may find the 41-pound weight substantial for frequent air travel or airline boarding requirements, and the lack of a cup holder or additional storage suggests a focus on transport rather than full day-long comfort during outings. For caregivers, the push-to-lock brake enhances safety during transfers, though it may require a firmer grip for users with limited hand strength.
List number 2. Medline Ultra Lightweight Transport Wheelchair for Adults. The Medline Ultra Lightweight Transport Wheelchair weighs just 15 pounds with a sturdy aluminum frame and a 300-pound weight capacity. It features a 19-inch wide by 16-inch deep seat, desk-length cushioned armrests, swing-away footrests, and convenient rear-wheel locking brakes for secure transfers. It folds easily for trunk storage and comes with a cup holder as a standard feature, making it appealing for daily use and travel. Performance-wise, the Medline excels in portability and maneuverability thanks to 8-inch rear wheels and swiveling front wheels that navigate tight corners and doorways effectively. The rear wheel locking brakes provide steady stopping power on inclines or uneven surfaces. The no assembly requirement and easy clean nylon fabric simplify maintenance. Although light, the chair's 15-pound mass and 34-inch height when folded may affect compact car trunk fit for some users, and the 19-inch seat width, while ample, may feel snug for users needing more lateral space over long durations.
List number 3. Carmen 24 pounds LT 980 Ultra Lightweight Wheelchair Black. The Carmen LT 980 is an ultra lightweight model at 24 pounds, with an 18-inch seat width, 16-inch seat depth, and fixed armrests. It features a swing-in or away removable footrest, adjustable height footplates with heel loops, folding backrest, and a strong emphasis on portability. Its manual braking system is designed for easy engagement by the user, and it uses 22-inch rear wheels with polyurethane casters for smooth rolling. The overall footprint is compact, with folding backrest and seat intended for travel and quick transfers. In practice, the LT980 offers strong portability with practical daily use features: handbrakes at the wheel for immediate control, robust flat-free rear wheels, and a thoughtful pocket on the backrest for small items. The fixed armrests and narrower seat dimensions may limit long-duration comfort for some users, particularly those who require adjustable arm support or more lateral seating space. The chair's weight, while light, may still require assistance for users with limited upper body strength during transfers or stowage in tight spaces.
List number 4. Super Lightweight Transport Wheelchair. Easy to travel. The Yu Zhang Super Lightweight Transport Wheelchair emphasizes portability with the stated total weight of 21 pounds, 15-pound chair plus 6-pound pull rod components, and a foldable configuration. It sports a 220-pound weight capacity, 16-inch seat width, 19.2-inch seat height, solid PVC tires, and adjustable height push handles up to 38 inches. The design includes a seat belt for safety and a body that is optimized for travel, with full dimensions that make it airplane-friendly and trunk-compatible. Real-world use shows strong travel readiness.
The upgraded push handle helps caregivers push more comfortably, and the detachable brake provides user-friendly operation. The combination of a 32.6-inch depth, 18.9-inch width, and 34-inch height when assembled fits many cars and luggage compartments, while the 220-pound weight limit remains a practical boundary for daily transfers and portability. Potential drawbacks include the relatively modest seat width for larger users and the total weight of the assembled system when including the pull rod, which may complicate negotiations in very tight spaces.
List number 5. Medline Lightweight Foldable Transport Wheelchair with Handbrakes. This Medline model weighs 26 pounds with 12-inch rear wheels and 6.5-inch depth, featuring handbrakes for added safety, a 19-inch wide by 16-inch deep seat, swing-away footrests, and a foldable aluminum frame rated at 300 pounds. It prioritizes straightforward operation and safety, with easy-to-squeeze handbrakes and a compact footprint ideal for tight indoor spaces and car trunks. In practice, the 12-inch wheels provide solid maneuverability within homes and retail spaces, though they may feel less stable on uneven surfaces or ramps compared with larger wheeled counterparts. The 26-pound weight is manageable for most users, but can be challenging for solo travelers who frequently lift into a vehicle. The fold-and-go design is straightforward, and the non-assembly setup reduces friction for first-time buyers. The 19x16 seat remains a balanced choice for daily comfort without adding excessive bulk.